as I wait for this bucket of silicon to drain, I figured I'd talk to you a little bit about some changes that I'm making based on Games Workshop's recent IP tightening decision. In case you don't know, Games Workshop has tightened their IP rules to discourage people from making like fan works, like animations and all that sort of stuff, which is sort of disappointing. I mean, understandable, like wanting to protect your IP and all that sort of stuff, big company standard practice type stuff. To me, though, that doesn't really seem like in the spirit of the hobby because, you know, the whole Warhammer game is all about customizing and creating your own narratives and stories and painting your models how you want and playing narrative campaigns, all based in a universe that exists, but telling your own stories at the same time. In that regard, sort of sad. But, you know, I'm a big advocate of be the change you want to see. And so I'm doing 4 things to try to keep the hobby as open as I love it at the moment. Okay, so the first thing is I've gone through the Miscast archives, all the old videos, all the unfinished projects. I've scanned all my sketchbooks and I've compiled everything into a book that you can download and look through and get inspired by and make stuff from. And you can even use that stuff commercially or whatever. I don't really care, as long as it's actually my IP and I haven't just like sketched something from another company. Go ham, go through all my stuff and enjoy it and make stuff your own. That's how I started every single hobby ever, is just copying people that I like. So I've made all that accessible to you. There's some like unfinished templates and stuff in there that you'll have to like navigate and learn to fix up. But yeah, if you can work through the unfinished stuff, there's some real gems in that book and it's free. So the second thing is all my terrain templates now have a license to allow you to modify them and redistribute them. People hack my templates up all the time and make them their own. I love that. It's incredible. And I get really annoyed every time I see it because I'm like, I wish I had thought of that. But now you can turn my templates into your own templates and redistribute them totally all above board, you know? There's a license in there now, so you can do that. Can't wait to see what you make. The only caveat is, please, if you make something with my templates, please just show me because I love it. And, you know, I stumble across things on social media. I'm like, hey, that's mine. Just send me a message because I get excited every time. The third thing is that I've added an open game license to Arcane Ugly. You can hack it up and make content for it, and you can distribute it for free or commercially. And yeah. So that's a thing as well. And Arcane Ugly is currently on my Patreon, but there is going to be a public release that you can buy in a traditional means very soon. I think. Yeah, no, very soon. Yeah, I'm just having so much fun working on it. Okay, the fourth thing is, this one's for all the educators and teachers out there. I find it really surprising. A surprising number of emails from teachers saying, hey, I use your templates or your 3D models in my classes, and I'm just wanting to let you know. And I think that's awesome. What I want to offer back is that if there's any teachers out there that want to use my stuff for their classes or anything like that, and you don't have budgets, just send me an email with like the subject header, like teacher here, give me free things and I'll hook you up. Just tell me a little bit about yourself and what you want to make, and I'll send you a package of goodies. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, okay. I feel like this is going to drain forever, so I don't have much else to tell you. But I also want the company, so if you could just wait around for a bit while this finishes draining, that'd be great. No, I feel bad. All right, you get out of here. I'll see you next time. All right. Hey, me again. I forgot miscast.co is where you find everything that you can use. Okay.